Hello students, I am 30 years experienced physics faculty. My main objective is to complete 2 hours work in 30 minute only. So this is my question, that is a particle acceleration at any point x and time t. So this is a particle position at this point. What will be, this is position is x and at time t what is the acceleration. So nothing, simple way, write equation y xt equal r sine omega t minus kx. You may write in velocity, that is r sine 2 pi by lambda vt minus x. This is the y. Now differentiate this with respect to time t. So you will find the velocity of the particle velocity u, and this is dy by dt, and this is r sine derivative is cos 2 pi by lambda and vt minus x, into again differentiate with respect time t. So this is v 2 pi by lambda, x is constant. Now differentiate with respect to, again with respect time t. So this is second order derivative of the y. This is the d dt of u. This is derivative of cos is minus sine, so minus r sine 2 pi by lambda and vt minus x, and v 2 pi by lambda, this is the coefficient, and again differentiate this. So again you will find minus 2 pi by lambda, this is minus 2 pi by lambda with respect to time t. Sorry, I am wrong, with respect to time t only. So same value will be v 2 pi by lambda. So I am squaring it. This is, so further this is acceleration, that is minus r sine 2 pi by lambda vt minus x. This is theta, and this is 2 pi by lambda is k. This is kv, kv square. So further, as you know, acceleration this equal, so in this case, yes students, so in this case acceleration is minus r, so in place of this you can write y, this is equal to y, this is, so minus y, and this is kv, kv is omega square, so minus omega square y was also simple in SHM, and this is wave is also, so in place of y you write y, this is wave equation, and omega is this kv. So k equal 2 pi by lambda, but k value, omega value is kv, this is in SHM motion, that is you are writing k equal 2 pi by lambda, and I have divided multiply by t. So in this lambda upon t is the velocity, and 2 pi by lambda is omega, omega upon v is k, so omega equal kv. So in place of kv I substitute omega. So this is the relation. You must learn this one as well this one. If you is better way to learn this one, and at time of need substitute y is this and omega is kv, that is v times 2 pi by lambda. Kv omega, this is omega is equal to Kv. You will substitute. So you will find the answer. Okay, best of luck. Please, in case कोई doubts है, sure comment me. I'll reply the answer. And my wish is to promote the students and subscribe if you wish. Okay, best of luck.